Alright, so what I want you to do is go onto Google and find out what's going on with asteroids right now. In fact, I want you to particularly look up asteroid election day. And you're going to find some different sources of information about an asteroid that might be coming before election day. So when you find a source, I want you to read it and write a 2-sentence summary of that information. You're going to post it on Twitter and type out your 2 sentences and include the hashtags TASI, hashtag asteroids, and hashtag 2020 election. After you type in the information and add your hashtags, I want you to also include the link to the site where you got your information. By the way, there should be no copy and paste of information from the site except for the link. Then after that, while you've reading the article, you probably had some questions, so I want you to add a new tweet by clicking that plus button, add your new information, add the hashtags, or add your questions, excuse me, and then add the hashtags. And then I want you to tweet all of it. Okay, so make sure you have an information, link, this summaries, add a new tweet, excuse me, hashtags, add a new tweet, add the hashtags, and then with your questions, and then post. Okay, and that's it.